Hi hello dear students, welcome to this class. Yes dear students, in the last session we all discussed about what? The introduction part of the first chapter, that is moving charges and magnetism. Okay, in the before class what we discussed? The Oersted experiment. Okay, means when a moving charge produces a magnetic field around it. Okay, but the static charge does not produce a magnetic field, only it produces the electric field. Okay, the rest charge only produces the electric field, not magnetic field. When the charge will move, it produces electric field as well as a magnetic field around it. Okay, that much of a knowledge we just studied in the previous class. Okay, so now in this class we have to go through a further concept, that is magnetic field and magnetic force. What? Magnetic force. Okay, what is the magnetic force around the charged particle, moving charged particle? Okay, that we'll discuss. Okay, so now first is what is the meaning about magnetic field? In the before class I told already, but once again I repeat the meaning of a magnetic field. Okay, so here the definition of magnetic field is here. The space or region around the current carrying conductor. The space or region around the current carrying conductor within which its influence can be felt by a magnetic needle is called a magnetic field. So it is just, magnetic field is nothing but what? It is a space or region around the current carrying conductor. So just we consider this is a current carrying conductor. Just we example, this is a conductor. This is total conductor. In this conductor there is a space around a carrying conductor. Space or region. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಸುತ್ತ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಥಳ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಳವನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್. ವಾಟ್? ರೀಜನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಅ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ within which its influence can be. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ರೀಜನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಭಾವ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ನೀಡಲ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ರೀಜನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ನೀಡಲ್ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ನೀಡಲ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ನೀಡಲ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ the definition that is about a magnetic field. Field is nothing but what? Region, space. What type of space? That is a magnetic space, magnetic field. Okay, the name is indicate magnetic field. Means the space around the region around by the current carrying conductor within which its influence can be felt by the magnetic needle. Okay, this is how the definition. So next we go to the main concept of this lesson, that is the magnetic force. Okay, so magnetic force, the definition we will see. The force experienced by a moving charged particle. The force experienced by a moving charged particles and a current carrying conductor in an external magnetic field is known as a magnetic force. We denote as a Fm vector. Fm. M is denoted as a magnetic. F is denoted as a force. So it is simple definition. Magnetic force. Force is nothing but what? When we apply mass, product of mass and acceleration, there is change in a displacement. What about a displacement? So that is the force experienced by a moving charged particle. When a charge moving in this conductor. This moving charge produces a force. That force we call it as a magnetic force. Okay, that is the definition. The force experienced by a moving charged particle. ಆ ಒಂದು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಒಂದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಂಡ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ನ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ನ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, here the force experienced by a moving charged particle, and in a current carrying conductor in a what, external magnetic field is known as a what, magnetic force, and it is denoted by a Fm vector. Okay, so now we have to go through a magnetic force about a small diagram. That is, here the direction of magnetic field like here. Just imagine. See students, this chapter is totally imagination. Go to about imagination, and totally we learn about by only imagination. Okay, so this is, I just imagine the direction of magnetic field is here. In this magnetic field, I just threw a charged particle through like this. This is a charged particle is moving the direction of this direction. Okay, and this charge makes an angle theta. This charge will makes an angle theta, the direction of what, magnetic field. Okay, this charge having a velocity v vector. This charge having velocity, moving with velocity v vector. Okay, this is our concept about a magnetic force. How? When the velocity of a moving charge will zero, the velocity of a moving charge will decreases, then the magnetic field, means magnetic force of a charged particle will be zero. When v is zero, when v is zero, automatically magnetic force Fm will be zero. When v means our speed or velocity of a particle, v is zero, magnetic force of a charged particle will also be zero. When v increases, magnetic force of a charged particles also increases. Okay, this is most important terms about magnetic force. Please note down in your notes. Okay, so here when the magnetic force increases, there is a one question carrying. Yavaga magnetic force increase agutte? So when the magnetic force increases, that is whenever the magnetic strength of a magnetic field increases. So here, therefore, the magnetic strength of a magnetic force, so strength of a magnetic field is increases, automatically magnetic force is also increases. Means here the B, magnetic field is increases, automatically the charged particle magnetic force is also increases. This is most important points regarding magnetic force. Okay, so here total the about what, magnetic force. So here the moving charged particle experience of force, I told already. Okay, so here one also the main terms, that is here I threw the charge the direction of a magnetic field. I threw the charge in the direction of a magnetic field, then the magnetic force will be a zero. So charge particle magnetic field direction nalle ಹೋಯಿತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ magnetic force zero ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ನೀವು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, so magnetic force ಯಾವಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? So your main thing is when the magnetic force will be maximum. This is the main important question carry 1 marks. Okay. So when the magnetic force will be maximum. So when the charged particle is in the direction of a magnetic field, theta will be 90 degree. So here this is the magnetic field. So when I threw the charge to the magnetic field up to 90 degree, means perpendicular. When the charged particle is 90 degree to the magnetic field, then that time magnetic force is also maximum. Okay, ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಗೆ ಏನು 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇರ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, they will ask you 1 marks. Write the expression for a magnetic force of a experienced by moving charged particle. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಓಕೆ, so that is magnetic force. Magnetic force will denote it as a what? Fl. Okay, magnetic force on a charged particle. Magnetic force on a charged particle is given by, that is Fm. Fm or we write it as a Fb. Potential. Okay, magnetic force on a charged particle equal to, means it depends on what? Q, means charged particle. Q into the bracket V vector into B vector. V is the velocity of a charged particle and B is vector V is the magnetic field of around it. Okay, so this is how the magnetic force on a charged particle expression. Okay, so now that one question we carry, what is the magnitude of a magnetic force is given by. They will ask also 1 marks. Write the magnitude of a magnetic force moving charged particle. So that is the magnitude of a magnetic force. Magnetic force is given by that is Fm equal to QVB sin theta. This is also most important expression, that is Fm, vector Fm. Means a magnitude. Magnitude means what? You have to total calculate. Means about charge, velocity, magnetic field and also the theta angle. Okay, this is the opposite by hypotenuse, that we call it as a sin theta. So that's why we take in this expression sin theta. Means this magnetic force will, when maximum, they will question carry. When the magnetic force will be maximum, here theta angle will be 90 degree. Means when the charged particle is perpendicular to the magnetic field, then that time magnetic force will be maximum. Okay, this is most important. Means theta is 90 degree, that is maximum. When theta will be 0, that is 0, magnetic force will be automatically 0. This is how the special terms regarding magnetic force. Okay, so got clear up to this? Here one is the main thing, that is right hand thumb rule. Means we have to find the direction of a magnetic field. What is the direction of a magnetic field? Current carrying conductor. We have to determine by the rules, the simple rule, that is a right hand thumb rule. Just we observe that this is a right hand. This is the right hand thumb. Okay, this thumb will denote the direction of a electric current. This thumb gives the, means this thumb denote the, tells about the direction of electric current, means upward direction. Means remains these fingers these fingers means curved fingers towards gives the direction of magnetic field. Means this is a circular motion. Okay, this gives the thumb gives the direction of electric current, and remaining the four fingers gives the direction of a magnetic field. Means ಈ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ರೂಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದೇ ಫ್ಲೆಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಥಂಬ್ ರೂಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ thumb rule. Here thumb gives the what? Direction of electric current. Remaining the fingers will use the magnetic field direction. Okay, means the charged particle, when a moving charged particle produces a magnetic field around it. This is most important thought. Please remind in your mind. Okay, so last the concept that is SI unit. SI unit of a magnetic field. They will ask for 1 marks. That is SI unit. SI unit of magnetic field means B. That is a Tesla. Capital T. Tesla. The name, the honor, the physicist name, that is Nikola Tesla. He is introduced about a magnetic field. Okay, he is the most important and the most determined about a physics experiments. ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿಯ ಒಂದು ಕೊಡುಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮುಂದೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ SI unit of magnetic field? That is a Tesla. TESLA in the bracket, that is a T. Okay, so how this is today class about what? Magnetic field and a magnetic force and a right hand thumb rule and also SI unit of a magnetic field. Okay, students, I hope in this class you all understood. In the next, we will discuss about the next concept of this lesson.